It started hundreds of years ago. The dance of fire and steel. On the path to civilization, it took shape in the hands of humanity, came to life with us. Çimetsan Engineering, whose foundations were laid by Fikret Çiçek, was born in Izmir. Since the foundation days, by undertaking an important mission for the development of a country's economy in the implementation of international quality standards, they have become the brand to trust in delivering projects at high standards. Today, by expanding their investments with a facility located in Izmir Bornova Işıkkent industrial site, they reached a steel processing capacity of 3,500 tons per year with a total area of 2,500 square meters, 1,500 square meters of which is closed and 1,000 square meters of which is open. Today, with their facility established on an area of 2,500 square meters, an expert staff in their branch, and with product and service quality in accordance with world standards, they enabled the region and its working business partners to integrate with the international market. They continue their effort in Turkey and the world to make life livable, to create enjoyable spaces, and to lay the foundations of durability. In airports, shopping malls, sports complexes, special projects, architectural applications, residence and office construction works, Çimetsan Engineering holds a place at the core of projects based on durability and trust, while maintaining their strong claim in the sector with the understanding of being a supplier business partner that has accomplished important projects at home and abroad, focused on human resources and customer satisfaction, and closely follows technology. They aim to be at the foundation of solid and secure structures. We are different. Sustainability and reliability is our main principle. We are moving towards the future with our open-to-development staff. We demonstrate and maintain our claim to be a reliable brand in projects and project management, in steel construction, manufacturing and assembly, with the exemplary projects we brought to life.